In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Shopify Authentication code, a full guide for 2025. Let's dive right in. To get started, you'll first need to head over to your Shopify store's admin dashboard. You can easily do this by logging into your Shopify account and navigating to the home section of your store. Once you're there, your next step is to locate and click on the button that says My Store. This is where you'll be managing all your store settings and functionalities. Now, after clicking on My Store, you'll want to shift your attention to your account settings. It's typically found near the top right corner of the page, represented by either your profile icon or your store name. Give that a click, and you'll be presented with a menu that lets you choose various account-related options. Out of these, the one we're interested in is Security. Clicking on Security will bring you to a page that fundamentally ensures your store and account information are well guarded. Once you're in the security section, it's crucial to move on to the two-step authentication option. This is a security measure that adds an extra layer of protection to your Shopify account, which is increasingly essential nowadays. When you click on two-step authentication, you are aiding in keeping your account secure from unauthorized access by requiring a secondary form of verification. The next phase is all about specifying the authentication methods you'll be using. To do this, click on the option labeled Authentication Methods. Here, you're allowed to choose from methods like SMS, Authenticator apps, or other available alternatives that Shopify supports for verifying your account. It's advisable to choose a method that you find most convenient and secure. Once you've decided on which method suits you best, it's time to enable the two-step authentication by clicking on Turn on Two-Step. By doing this, you are activating Shopify's enhanced security protocol, which will start protecting your account immediately. From here, you may be prompted to follow some additional on-screen instructions depending on the authentication method you've selected. This could be verifying your phone number through a code sent to your SMS if you've opted for text messaging, or scanning a QR code with your Authenticator app. And there you have it. You've successfully set up two-step authentication on your Shopify account. This small but crucial step can protect your business from potential security threats and safeguard your sensitive information. Remember, keeping up with security protocols like this is essential for maintaining a trustworthy relationship with your customers. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Feel free to leave your comments or any questions below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Shopify tips and tutorials.